Hello, young explorers. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Muhyi. This special name means the giver of life, and it shows us how Allah brings life to everything around us. When we look at our amazing world, we can see Al-Muhyi's work everywhere. Think about tiny seeds that grow into tall trees with fresh green leaves and colorful fruits. That's Al-Muhyi giving life. Or watch how caterpillars transform into beautiful butterflies that flutter in our gardens. Even the way clouds bring rain to dry land, making flowers bloom and grass grow. That's all part of Allah's power as Al-Muhyi. Look at yourself too. You started as a tiny baby, and now you're growing bigger and stronger every day. Your heart beats, your lungs breathe, and your mind learns new things. All of this is possible because Allah Al-Muhyi gave you life and helps you grow. Isn't it amazing how He takes care of every living thing? Al-Muhyi doesn't just give life once, He keeps giving it over and over again. In spring, after the cold winter, plants sprout new leaves. Birds build nests and lay eggs that become baby birds. Even the tiniest insects and the biggest elephants are alive because of Al-Muhyi's power. Every heartbeat and every breath is a gift from Allah. So next time you see a flower blooming, a bird flying, or when you feel your own heart beating, remember Al-Muhyi, the giver of life. Thank Allah for the wonderful gift of life He has given to you and everything around you. Life is precious, and it's one of Allah's most amazing gifts to us all. Remember to take care of yourself and be kind to all living things, because they're all special creations of Al-Muhyi.